So, question for people. Did my Pixel 10 get fixed with the January? Well, I was going to say January. The July update. Short answer, no. So, I am a little bit frustrated on that. Now, if you guys don't know what I'm talking about, I am talking about the EID Zeroed issue. Just as I was about to make that video updating you guys that the latest Android 17 update didn't fix the EID issue, I may have found what actually will. So I'm going to share that with you guys in this video because I got the EID back on my Pixel 10. And not only did I get the EID number back, but I went ahead and grabbed a visible phone line and I was able to install the eSIM profile. So I have the Google Fi SIM and the visible SIM on my Pixel 10. So everything is working again. I can erase eSIMs, I can install eSIMs, and the EID number is back. So I am really happy about it. Now, when I installed the update yesterday, the EID number was still zeroed out, but I do think that this security update did fix it. You just have to do a couple of extra steps. So yesterday, I'll tell you guys what I did. Yesterday, before I took the update, actually, no, I took the update first. The EID was still zeroed. So I connected to my PC. I rolled it back to Android 16 using the Android Flash tool. Still showing all zero EID. Went ahead and took the Android 17 update again. Still zeroed out on the EID. Well, okay, cool. Today I was just like, man, this is going to totally suck if I have to send this in for a motherboard swap. So I decided to do this, and I'll put a screen grab of what apps that, well, what I went through in the app list and settings. So you want to go to your apps and settings, and you want to click the three ellipses on the top right, and you want to click show system apps. So once that's all there, what you're seeing, these particular apps, so the SIM Manager Toolkit, the SIM Manager, and the other one, I went ahead and cleared the data off of that and then rebooted my phone. But when I did that, I went ahead and did the dialer code for the IMEI, and the EID was back. The physical SIM is in contact with the phone. It is no longer exiled. So after that, I opened up a visible line. I was kind of disheartened because going through the eSIM installation from the visible app, it failed. Contacted their support, got a QR code, scanned it, boom, eSIM profile installed. Phone is working. Data's working, text is working. Google Fi is reading that there's an active SIM card in my phone now. It's not telling me to activate a new SIM. So yeah, just to kind of recap everything that I've done so you guys will understand. So I've done the ADB command codes, right? So I'll put those commands into the description so you guys can just copy paste them in ADB. That doesn't work. Wipe those apps in the settings. Reboot your phone, try again. That doesn't work. Roll back to Android 16. Once you're back on Android 16, you don't have to set up your phone or anything like that. Just connect to Wi-Fi and do a system update check. If it shows that the update is available, re-update back to Android 17. If that doesn't work, then go into the system settings, go to the app section, and go back to those same, I think it's 3 apps, and clear the data on those and reboot the phone. That's everything that I've done to try to fix the Pixel 10. If it worked for you, let me know. If it didn't work, drop a comment, let us know it didn't work. And I'll try to think of whatever else I did. But those are, for sure, those are the things that I did to try to fix this over the last 5 days. And it worked for me. So, hope this helps everybody out there with the Pixel 10 EID bug issue. Let me know if it did. Talk to you guys later.